this video, I'll show you how to manage your watch history. To get started, you'll need to be signed into YouTube. Once you're signed in, you can get to your watch history by opening the guide and then clicking History. From here, you can choose to clear or pause your watch history. Or if you'd like to remove individual videos, just click the X next to a video. To find a specific video in your watch history, you can do a search right on this page to find what you need. And that's it. Feel free to leave me a feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.